Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a shortcut on Snapchat to send snaps. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's just head on and open up our Snapchat application right here. And from here, let's just take a random snap to send to our friends. And like that, let's just click on the send to option at the bottom right hand corner. And from here, as you can see, this is where you can see the friends you have on Snapchat, and you can't really see the create a shortcut option yet. So to see it, you just simply have to click on the search bar at the top part of the screen that says send to, tap on that, and immediately you should be able to see the option to create a shortcut. So just click on create shortcut. Okay. And now you have to select the friends you want to include on that shortcut. So I'm just going to select some of my friends like that. And then at the top part of the screen again, it says choose emoji. So just click on that. And let's just type in an emoji right here. And then once you have set that up, just click on create shortcut. And it says to choose only a single emoji. So I'm just going to erase one emoji like that and click on create shortcut again. As you can see, the emoji that you have inputted will now be seen as a shortcut. So you can just tap on that, select, and then you can send that snap to those friends on one tap. So that is how you can basically create a shortcut on Snapchat to send snaps. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.